back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you are fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction. The live price change occur in a Cardano in the previous last 1 hour, in the previous last 2 hour. What is the current price of Cardano and what is the high price of Cardano, I'm going to show you in this video. So before starting this video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest videos. Now let's see the live price prediction of Cardano. What's the change occur in a Cardano in the previous last 1 hour and what's the change occur in the previous 2 hours. First of all, we see the last 2 hour result of Cardano. As you can see now on the screen, that is a live price prediction of Cardano in the last 2 hours. First of all, we see the chart analysis of Cardano. So the chart tells us that it's a absolutely falling period of Cardano, as you can see here, but and don't worry, now currently at this time if we see the chart analysis, so they are jumping up. As you can see here, currently they are in the jumping. So if you want to make money by cryptocurrencies market, so it is a big opportunity for you to buy a Cardano and make a good amount of profit, because at this time they are goes and the jumping. The high changes is about negative 0.24% change occur in a Cardano in the previous last 2 hours. They are negative because they falls down in the previous hour, and now currently soon they are positive. Now currently they are jumping upward. That is why they are soon positive. Now if we see the high price of Cardano in the previous last 2 hours, so the price of Cardano in the last 2 hours is about $1.19 is the high price of Cardano in the previous last 2 hours. That is the live price prediction of previous 2 hours. Now let's see the live price prediction of previous 1 hour. Let's see the last 1 hour result of Cardano in the market. What's the high price of Cardano in the market? Let's see, and please also share your opinion in the comment box. What's as a Cardano cryptocurrencies is good for profit or not? Is it the best time to sell it or hold it or buy it? Please share your opinion in the comment box. As you can see here, the last 1 hour result of Cardano. So the last 1 hour result of Cardano is on the screen. As you can see here, oh my goodness, what's gone there? What's gone this? As you can see here, now currently if we see the chart analysis, so currently their falling is start. As you can see here, they fast down at this time. So my suggestion to sell it and be safe from loss. As you can see here, they take a jump, a small jump, but now currently at this time the falling of the Cardano is start in the previous last 1 hour. So if we see the changes of Cardano in the previous last hour, so the changes is about negative 0.23% change occur in a Cardano, and the high price is about $1.19 is the high price of Cardano, which is now currently price of Cardano. That is the high price of Cardano. So that is a live price prediction of Cardano in the last 1 hour, in the last 2 hours. You are watching now on ABS Tech channel. If you want this type of more videos, so kindly click the subscribe button right now for more this kind of videos.